horse and 1100 RPM. And
so 10 horsepower, yeah, that's it. It's your usual suspect.
Okay, can you get me the cap to go with that too? I think what is it, a 5 microfarad or something?
Let's see what it officially says about that. The dual capacitor.
Yeah, I want to go back with a new one.
It's a 40 and 5, 370.
Okay. All right, guys, we're heading over to Bryant over here, Haybaker, and we got a no-cool call, service call on. We got a burned up motor, and it's out in the country a bit, or out that way, over off the Brooks exit, and the customer went ahead and shot me a picture. Yeah, here we are, right here. He went in and shot me a picture of the fan motor and everything. He said it's hotter than heck, yada, yada, yada. So I'm gonna come over here and get the exact motor for it. All right, guys. All right, guys, we just finished up over here at Haybaker, and I got the motor for it. Got a new capacitor for it. All right, guys, let's head on out. All right, guys, we just pulled up on this Bryant. Let's get the top off, get a new motor on. All right, guys, getting ready to pop this new motor on. All right, guys, looks like it's a perfect match here. Got the same rotation, same RPM, 1100, 1/10 horsepower. All right, guys, I want to check my cap before I put it on. Supposed to be looking for a 40/5. Here's our 40. And there's our 5. All right, guys. All right, guys, we got a bad one coming in. All right, guys, we got fan. We got fan. All right, guys. We barely got that Bryant done. She's upon us. All right, we're out. God dog, guys, we barely got that thing done in time. I'm here to tell you. I can't hardly even see. I still got miles to get home.